Welcome to your complete guide to home insurance in 2026. Your home is likely the most valuable asset you'll ever own, and protecting it properly is one of the most important financial decisions you'll make. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about home insurance, from the basics of what it covers to advanced strategies for saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a seasoned homeowner reviewing your policy, or someone considering switching providers, this guide will give you the knowledge you need to make smart decisions. Home insurance isn't just a piece of paper required by your mortgage lender. It's a financial safety net that protects you from devastating losses. With natural disasters becoming more frequent, construction costs rising, and lawsuit awards reaching record highs, having the right coverage has never been more critical. Let's dive in. Home insurance policies are built from 6 main coverage types, each protecting a different aspect of your property and financial life. Coverage A is dwelling coverage, which pays to repair or rebuild the physical structure of your home if it's damaged by a covered peril like fire, wind, or hail. Coverage B handles other structures on your property, such as detached garages, fences, sheds, and gazebos, typically at 10% of your dwelling coverage. Coverage C covers your personal property, furniture, electronics, clothing, and belongings, usually at 50 to 70% of dwelling coverage. Coverage D is loss of use, which pays for hotels, restaurants, and additional living expenses if your home becomes uninhabitable during repairs. Coverage E is personal liability protection, defending you if someone is injured on your property or you accidentally damage someone else's property. Finally, Coverage F is medical payments, which covers minor medical bills for guests regardless of fault. Understanding these 6 categories is the foundation of evaluating any policy. Home insurance costs are calculated using dozens of factors, and understanding them helps you predict and control your premiums. Location is the biggest factor. Homes in areas prone to hurricanes, wildfires, tornadoes, or floods cost significantly more to insure. Your home's age, construction materials, and roof condition matter enormously, with older homes and asphalt roofs typically commanding higher rates. The replacement cost of your home, not its market value, determines dwelling coverage, since insurance rebuilds the structure regardless of land value. Your credit-based insurance score influences rates in most states, with better credit leading to lower premiums. Claims history is critical. Even small claims can raise rates for years, and multiple claims may make you uninsurable. Your deductible choice has major impact. Raising it from $500 to $2,500 can cut premiums by 20 to 30%. The average American homeowner pays around $1,800 annually, but ranges from $800 in low-risk areas to over $5,000 in coastal hurricane zones. Let's look at real-world examples of home insurance claims to understand how coverage actually works. Sarah in Texas had a kitchen fire that caused $85,000 in damage. Her dwelling coverage rebuilt the kitchen, her personal property coverage replaced ruined appliances and dishes, and loss of use paid for 6 weeks in a hotel. Total payout $120,000 after her $1,000 deductible. Mike in Florida lost his roof to Hurricane Idalia, with damage totaling $45,000. However, his named storm deductible was 2% of dwelling coverage, costing him $6,000 out of pocket. James in Colorado had a guest slip on icy steps and break a hip, leading to a lawsuit demanding $300,000. His liability coverage paid the settlement and legal fees in full. Lisa in California discovered her policy excluded earthquake damage after a quake cracked her foundation, leaving her with $70,000 in uncovered repairs. These examples show why reading your policy and understanding exclusions matters as much as the coverage itself. The home insurance market has dozens of major providers, and understanding their strengths helps you choose wisely. State Farm leads in market share, with strong agent networks and bundling discounts, ideal for customers who value personal service. Allstate offers excellent digital tools and unique features like Claim Rate Guard that prevents rate hikes after a first claim. USAA provides exceptional service and rates, but only for military families and their relatives. Liberty Mutual has competitive pricing and extensive customization options. Travelers excels at covering older and historic homes that other insurers reject. Amica consistently ranks highest in customer satisfaction surveys despite being smaller. Lemonade offers fully digital policies with fast AI-driven claims for tech-savvy customers. Chubb specializes in high-value homes with replacement cost coverage that has no caps. Nationwide and Farmers offer solid middle-of-the-market options with strong bundling. When comparing, look beyond price. Check financial strength ratings from AM Best, customer satisfaction scores from J.D. Power, and complaint ratios from your state insurance department. Saving money on home insurance doesn't require sacrificing coverage. It requires smart strategies. First, shop around every 2 to 3 years and compare at least 5 quotes, since rates vary by hundreds of dollars for identical coverage. Bundle home and auto with the same insurer for typical savings of 15 to 25%. Raise your deductible from $500 to $1,500 or $2,000 if you have emergency savings to cover it. Install protective devices. Monitored security systems save 5 to 20%, smart water leak detectors save 5 to 10%, and impact-resistant roofs can save up to 35% in storm-prone areas. Improve your credit score, since insurers in most states use credit-based insurance scores. Avoid small claims under $2,000, since filing them often costs more in increased premiums over 5 years than the payout itself. Ask about every available discount: new home, gated community, retired, claims-free, paperless billing, annual payment, and loyalty discounts. Finally, review your coverage annually to remove obsolete riders and adjust dwelling coverage to current rebuild costs. Homeowners make several costly mistakes that leave them underinsured or overpaying. The biggest mistake is insuring your home for market value instead of replacement cost. If your home would cost $300,000 to rebuild, but the market value is $250,000, insuring for the lower amount creates a devastating gap. Another major error is assuming flood damage is covered. It's not, and you need separate flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program or private carriers. Many people don't update coverage after renovations, leaving expensive kitchen remodels or additions uninsured. Failing to document possessions with photos or video makes claims much harder, since you must prove what you owned. Choosing actual cash value coverage instead of replacement cost saves a few dollars but pays only depreciated value, meaning your 10-year-old couch nets you $100 instead of $1,000. Ignoring liability limits is dangerous. The standard $100,000 is often inadequate, and umbrella policies adding $1 million in coverage typically cost only $200 to $400 annually. Finally, not reading exclusions for earthquakes, sewer backups, and mold leaves dangerous gaps. Now you have the knowledge to take action. Start by pulling out your current policy and reviewing your 6 coverage areas: dwelling, other structures, personal property, loss of use, liability, and medical payments. Check that your dwelling coverage matches current rebuild costs by using an online replacement cost calculator or asking a local contractor. Make a home inventory by walking through each room with your phone camera, recording everything you own. This takes 30 minutes and saves enormous headaches during claims. Get quotes from at least 5 providers, including one direct insurer like Geico, one mutual like Amica, and one with strong agent service like State Farm. Use comparison tools at insurancecompare.9gg.app to streamline this process and see side-by-side coverage and pricing. Consider whether you need flood insurance, earthquake coverage, or an umbrella policy based on your location and assets. Schedule annual policy reviews on your calendar, ideally before renewal, to ensure coverage keeps pace with home improvements and rising rebuild costs. Smart home insurance decisions protect everything you've worked for. Thanks for watching, and good luck securing the right coverage for your home.